Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Kazem Muridi and in this video I'm going to show you how to extract a widget in Flutter. There are currently two ways to extract a widget. One of them is currently, for example, I'm going to click over here and open the Flutter outline, and over here we can right click on it on this widget and then click on extract widgets, or we can directly click on the card, go to the refactor and then extract Flutter widget. We need to name a name the widget. For example, I want to call it contact, for example contact widget or contact item, and let's go ahead and as you see, the Flutter automatically create a widget for us. Contact takes a list of items as contacts, and it will be passed over here. But as you see, there is a problem for an index. It cannot understand what does index mean actually. In order to avoid this problem, we need to change some parts. For example, one of them is I'm going to add just get a single contact from the uh, this one, and which is that we can need to use index. Okay, as you see, we get a list of contacts. We get a contact directly from the list builder, and we can use it directly over here with no need to change anything. So we learn how to extract the widget. As you see, there nothing was changed. So what did I do? First, I click over the item that I want to extract, which was a card. Go to the refactor and just click on extract Flutter widget. After that, I had some problem with the index. There was nothing such as index over here. So in order to avoid this problem, I first create a variable called contact, which take a contacts. It's right. And this contact is just a single contact, okay, not the whole list. It only take a single item of that list, and in the text we directly can use this contact dot name, contact dot number, because contact is just only single item, not the whole list. And as we because of that, we actually simplify the whole our coding process, and it is easier to develop our app. I think that's enough for now. That's enough for this part. If you like my video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. Happy coding.